But from an asset allocation standpoint, my broader comment would just be, if you told investors, at least humble, knowledgeable investors, at the beginning of 18, look, you're going to get a down 5% year, and then you're going to get an up 12% year, and that's just what you're going to have to live with for the next 2 years. I think most of them at that point would have said that's fine, and that's where we are right now. So you're up 10 or 11% on the S&P. If we were to close out right here, it would be a better than average year. So I know there's a lot of pessimism. I know there's a lot of negativity. The market has shown signs that it does not want to sell off on the negativity, even though we can't make a new high. Is the rate cut the thing that gives you the new high? I'm not 100% sure that that's the case, and I don't know what would make me change my mind. So I know it's an oblique answer, but that's just where I am. That's where my headspace is.
Well, Tobias, maybe you can clear it up. How do you see the relief over the last 2 days? Is it about the Fed, about trade, or was it just oversold?
So look, I think the markets came into May a little bit complacent. So then we started getting the trade issues, we started getting issues around the Fed, and the market wobbled appropriately. We didn't get euphoric. Nobody was really that excited at the end of April, but they were a little too comfortable. What we've seen is that comfort get removed, and I kind of agree that the notion, I'm not quite sure what oblique means, but I'm going to have to look that up.
We'll talk later.
Okay, but the notion of the market wanting a rate cut, well, that would suggest that there's something really wrong in the economy. So I think that's where the problem is. The market likes the idea of a salve if there's a trade problem with the rate cut, but if it's an economically driven rate cut, then earnings start coming under pressure and people worry about that element. So I think that's not necessarily where we want to go. If we have to go there, it'll probably be at lower levels in the market.